As the watering holes start to dry up, there is little room left for those who live in them. To stay cool, hippos need to spend most of the day submerged in water. But it's too crowded here. Something has got to give. This male hippo has been driven out and must find a new bathing pool, something a bit more spacious. But as water becomes rarer, he might have to walk up to 30 miles to find a place to call his own. It's not going to be easy. Some pools are already taken, and males do not like to share. Defeated, he is forced to keep moving. The next water hole is under the rule of a pride of lions. But the hippo is not willing to move on again. He's prepared to fight for it. This is now a turf war. The pride is wary of this 3,000-pound aggressive beast, staying just close enough to harass him. But the hippo chomps his jaws, a warning that a single bite could crush one of their skulls or pulverize a cub. The winner is clear. This pool is now his.
The Komodo dragon. The largest and heaviest lizard in the world. These carnivorous reptiles are a type of varanid, or monitor lizard. But those on Komodo Island are giants. Nearly 5 times bigger than other monitor lizards. To show why they've become supersized, I want to get close to one of these big beasts. But these are powerful predators. A forked stick should stop them getting too close.
When you're sat face to face with the top predator of these islands, something really comes over you. Right now, my skin is alive with goosebumps. This thing has a deadly bite, 60 serrated teeth that can really do some serious damage. And if you don't die from the initial bite, then its venom will do the rest, because it's been recently found that that venom is an anticoagulant, so it stops its intended victim from being able to heal. And if you can't sense it right now, the entire crew are on tenterhooks.
We're on the surface! There's your brother here. Okay, buddy. 400 yards!
Between dives, sperm whales rest for up to 10 minutes. They take around 50 breaths to fully reoxygenate their blood. This is my chance to get up close.
I still don't forget my first time with the sperm whales. See them coming at you and you see that big head and then feel the clicks. You can feel it right here in your chest, you know? It's scary.
Bubbles from scuba gear could spook the whales, so I've been learning to free dive. But nothing can prepare you for this. A female approaching on her side. She's over 12 meters long. A prehistoric beast that has barely evolved in 10 million years. Her head alone takes up 1/3 of her body. Her nose, a powerful natural sonar system that allows her to home in on her prey. Long, powerful jaws house 50 sharp teeth, each weighing over a kilogram. I don't want to get too close. But up here on the surface, I'm not her target. Sperm whales spend 85% of their lives hunting deep in the ocean. Their muscles have adapted to contain an oxygen-storing protein called myoglobin. So the bigger they grow, the more oxygen they can carry, which gives them more time to hunt for food. That is why size is key to the sperm whale's success.
Oh, wow. That is one of the most incredible things I've ever seen in my life.